Hey guys, Sagar here. Welcome back. So guys, this is Redmi Band and it's launched for the price of 1599, which is, according to me, it's a very good price by Xiaomi. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's see what we get in the box. Xiaomi has been making smart band for quite some time now, but all have been under Mi branding. Recently, Xiaomi has been to separate the portfolio of Mi brand and Redmi brand. Redmi being the more affordable brand, and that's why they launched fitness tracker under the Redmi brand. First, let's talk about the display. So it comes with a TFT LCD display, and good part about the display, it is the color display. The display gets enough bright and display is really good. Display is also touchscreen, that means you can swipe through the display to go through the various options available in the display. You can go to the workout, heart rate, or if you want to change any setting, add an alarm or something, you can swipe through the various options on the display. Apart from that, there is a touch button which is used to go back to the screen and also to wake the band. So it's a very good combination of touchscreen and touch button. Only the problem is that touchscreen is not that sensitive, means you have to press little hard, then it will work. Now the Redmi Smart Band is the fitness tracker at its core. Do not compare it with the smartwatch, it is a fitness tracker. Now because of this, you get a lot of fitness features. For example, it has pedometer which will calculate your number of steps. It also comes with the heart rate sensor, and that is excellent. It will monitor your heart rate even you are working out. Essentially, you can use this smart band to track a fitness data. One unique thing about Redmi Smart Band, the way it charges, as it has direct USB port into the band itself. Just remove the strap, plug to the USB port, and you will good to go for charging. It also charges with the Mi or Redmi power bank. You don't need to carry separate charger with it like other bands, and that's a very handy feature. Redmi Band connects to your app called Xiaomi Wear. This app is different from Mi Band, so this app is available for Android and iOS, and you can control everything about your band from the app. You can change the watch face. There are a lot of options available. Apart from that, you can literally change anything from the app itself, and also able to see the fitness data on the app. So basically, Xiaomi Wear app and fitness band go hand to hand. As far as the build quality goes, it is not the most premium out there, but it does not feel cheap as well. It feels like a normal fitness band, worth it for money in terms of build quality. In terms of color option, you can look for black, orange, blue and green. If you ask me, my favorite color is black one. It looks minimal and classy and will go with anything as it is an accessory. As far as my impression goes with the Redmi Smart Band, I am very impressed. So if you are looking to get in the world of fitness tracker and you don't want to break the bank, then Redmi Band is the excellent choice out there. If you want to buy, I will make sure to drop the link below. That's been it. This was the unboxing and initial impressions of the Redmi Smart Band. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.